All right, so I thought I'd share my everyday carry set here with the Leatherman ARC. It's Leatherman pouch as well. So this is what I keep in the car, the backpack. Can be on the belt. Not on me all times. This is what's on me at all times. Okay. And got this awesome case online and a few different upgrades and changes, so I'll show you. So got the 711L 1/4 inch wrench here. Got the Volti switch. Got some hex bits. Got 6 different sizes of the Torx, 2 square. And number 3-in-1 Phillips. And then of course inside here and on it, I've got the one that comes with it. So the 1/2 and the flathead. A few other mods. I 3D printed this extra bit holder for it. Have some personalization from Leatherman, but also have a few other things. So changed out the saw for the Shank Adapter here, and y'all seen this, I'm sure, but you can put any Shank blade in there and change them out. I've got some larger ones that don't fit in it, but can be used in the bag. But of course, you can change it out for whatever you want. Other modification, I did sharpen the can opener a little bit. Not much, just put a little nice edge on it, be a little more effective. And that's about it. I exchanged this out for the saw instead of the other options just do. Now, I also have another thing underneath the scissors here. Got the fire starter, which works very well. And it actually is upgraded. It comes with a pin in it too. I'll try to put links to all of these things in the description of this video, but that is a great little piece you can get. Also underneath here, and it's easier to get it like this if you pop all this open. Underneath here, got a set of tweezers, which are held on with a magnet. They're not the easiest thing to get to, but they're there. They're always there. So if you need some tweezers, it's a good upgrade. It's a lot easier to put them back. Which way do I do that? It goes this way. Then just take them off with the magnets, of course. It stays in there real good. So I'll just kind of lay this out, do a little spread on the table, if you will, so you can see all the tools here. And then we'll start going through my other bag, the car bag, if you will, or the backpack bag. You can kind of see all the different things that this kit can do. So, but again, it starts with the ARC here. Love that blade. Sharpens up real nice, holds a good blade. There you go, there's Leatherman ARC with some upgrades. If you haven't seen this Volti, really look into it, Volti switch. Now, in here, a nice compact pack. So everything you need in here. We've got you know, the bit adapter on here. And so you've got all sorts of different blades you need. This was a screwdriver I modified and put this on. You can get on all sorts of different wrenches with this sucker. And works really great. Lots of work on it. And of course, you know, you can put it in the 711 bit as well. Put it on here. Put this on the end of this, or use it in this bit driver for a little more leverage. You end up getting a whole lot of bits. Now, if this is too big and awkward, which, you know, if you've used anything like this, this is smaller than the normal one, so it's a little bit more refined. you know there's limitations there. So inside here you've got this kit, and it's got an arrangement of metric and SAE to kind of hit all the sizes from 6 mil to 12 mil. Got a small little 1/4 inch, and then I've got the 1/4 inch adapter in case you have some other bits. But it really gives you a lot of wrench options between this wrench, the driver, holding things back with that. If you need a few more wrench options, you got the tiny little Leatherman crunch here, which I'm sure most of y'all seen, is a set of vice grips, basically. And you know, it has a few other tools as well. This one's well worn, but you get on a lot of bolts, do a lot of things with a car with those, more than you would think. Now, got the entire set of bit drivers in here, the Leatherman bits to go with these. Of course, you know, where some of the limitations of those, but super compact. These are all the different T-shanks, and I've got, again, some larger blades that can go on here. That one's kind of gnarly. Most of the other ones are less aggressive, and I've also sharpened the end for some drywall work, etc. I won't go through all the blades that I have in here, but you get the idea. Lots of options there. Then also in here, we've got just an extension and another bit just for drilling holes. Just happens to fit well in those things together if I need to in a pinch. And then finally you have this, and this is a smaller kit. So in here I've got a tape measure and a little sewing kit just in case. Got some paper clips, some safety pins, just things to mend things out in the field if needed. And then in oh, that's the actual clip to that, not needed. And then on this other side, got 4mm bits. So you got an extension here. You've got your 1/4 inch to 4mm adapter right there. So put it in any of these units, and then you can utilize all of these smaller bits. There's a couple of really small sockets. There's a magnet, and all your real small bits that you would need, even, you know, being security bits for little electronics. And so in a small pouch and on your hip, there's so much that this can do. I hope you enjoyed seeing it and seeing how it all packs up. And, you know, that's that.